Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. But we will not unleash Gunpla for today because we will unleash something that it's not Gunpla. Yeah, it's not Gunpla, but still part of my toy collection right now. Because yeah, I'm collecting, as you know, there are some videos already here on my YouTube channel that I collect Beyblades and some videos about Beyblade battles. Because yeah, this is very nostalgic for me because I'm playing Beyblade since grade 5 on my 5th grade. But yeah, I stopped because I don't have money for buying it because I just bought it from my savings when I'm still just a child or a kid, and then it stops when I'm in high school because yeah, priority for studies in college, same as usual. And then now that I have my own money and I can buy it, yeah, why not collect them again? So yeah, this is it, and it's from outside the country. I think it's China. Yeah, okay. So with my cutter here, trusted cutter, even it's rusted. Let's go. Let's open this. Okay, so I will introduce to you to my Beyblades right here and some additional Beyblade stuff for yeah, because I've ordered some stuff that I want to have on my Beyblade X collection, because right now I am more focused on collecting from the Beyblade X because that is the new Beyblade that was released, and yeah, that is the Beyblade that I was starting to collect right now. But yeah, I still go also for the burst, but yeah, I'm just selected kind of Beyblades. But and then after burst, I'm hunting some of the old generation or the classic generation Beyblades, just like the Dragoon, the Dranzer, yeah, and more of them. Okay, and also on the Metal Fusion, I'm also having hunting the original Pegasus, the El Drago, and more of them also. So if I can have them, some of those old kind of Beyblades, why not? Okay, so I'm just hunting them, and then let's go. Let's have first on the accessories first. Okay, so I have here this one, grips. They are called Beyblade grips, or yeah, grips, but they are called here Thunder Gyro because this is a bootleg grip. But as I know, they are compatible to the original one because I also bought a string launcher. This is a string launcher already, not a ripcord, but a string launcher of the Beyblade X because I don't have this string launcher. And if you buy this on the original one, it's very expensive, which I think one string launcher is equivalent to the half of a Beyblade price already. But yeah, it's bootleg, so expect something not good gripping. Maybe it's okay. We will try that on the next video. Like this one. Yeah, a little bit okay also. Then let's try if we will put them on the grip. So I both a red grip here and also a blue grip so that I can also have the blue string launcher right here. So let's try to put this one, and it has something lock that you need to push so that the lock here will move, and you can insert this here, right here. Let's see. And okay, it's very nice. So you can pull it like this. Okay, if it's on that mode. And also you can change the mode also, which you can change this like here or right here, maybe like this one. Okay, so that you can have it like this, like that. Okay, so it depends on how you have the grip. Okay, then you can also change it on the other side. I don't know if you're lefty, then you can also use it because you are left-handed. So it's very comfortable for those left-handed also. So it's very nice, even it's bootleg, but yeah, it's having its function, so it's okay. So they're the same, so I will not demo the blue one because they're the same. So it's the first one, the grip and the string launchers of Beyblade X, but it's a bootleg. Okay, next is the Beyblade X itself right here, and I ordered this one, which is a Beyblade X version of the Dranzer S of the old generation or the plastic gen. But yeah, why I bought this, because I already have a plastic, a Dranzer S and Beyblade X version in Takara Tomy. So I just want to buy this to have a comparison of the real one to the bootleg one or the fake one. Okay, so it has stickers because it's the old kind of Beyblade design. So they can put these designs on the metal or the plastic here on the Beyblade. So yeah, that's why it has stickers. And the tip right here, the blade, and the other stuff right here. Let's see. Let's compare this. Next time we will open it. Will have all of these Beyblades right here. Will have a separate video individually so that we can focus on them when we have its unboxing or unpacking, because they are just put in a pack like this. They don't have a box. Okay, so yeah, that's our first one, the Dranzer S in Beyblade X version. Now let's have this one, the blue one, which I really like the color. Yeah, this is your blue Knight shield. This is the Knight shield. Yeah, a blue Knight shield, and it's all blue in color. That's why I bought this, because they are in different colors and metallic colors. Because as we know, Beyblade X is made of metal already. Their blades are made of metal. It's not plastic anymore or rubbers. They are made of metal, and it's a bootleg. But yeah, let's see. Let's compare this to the real Knight shield that I have here also. But I think it has a different performance tip right here. So yeah, the ratchet is 380. I think it's a 380. And yeah, the blade right here. Okay, so that's the second one. Then next we have here the Gold Hell Sight. Yeah, it's a Gold Hell Sight. It's a 480 or 460. Yeah, I don't know, because but it has 4 edges, contact points. That's why it's 4. I think it's 480. Okay, so it's also painted in gold. It's not yellow, but it's gold. Yeah, see that? It's gold. That's why it's very nice. So I don't know if I will do more battles about this, because it's just like for design. You can pose it on your shelves, and you can show off that you have a different color of some Beyblade X, of other versions of the Beyblade X that we have already here. So I can show that I have a blue version or a gold version of the Hell Sight. So that's it. That's your Hell Sight in gold version. Next, we have your Wizard Arrow on a red metallic version. Red. It's a red metallic. Very nice color also. And the tip is a ball tip. It's a ball tip right here. And it's 4 also. I think it's 460. Because it's a little bit lower than than the Hell Sight right here. It's like, yeah, it's a 460. This is the 480. Okay, so it's a 460 and a ball performance tip and the Wizard Arrow blade right here. Yeah, so it's very nice. And one of the best color right here is this one. This is your black. Yeah, it's black. The black Dransword. It's your black Dransword. It's very hard to focus with it's color black. And it's on a plastic. So it's a black Dransword, and yeah, it's a paint on the metal. So I think I don't want to have a battle with this, because I want to preserve the color. But yeah, if I will, maybe I will buy another one so that it will be for the posting here or on my cubs right here. And then some of this will become for the battles. Okay, yeah, because I also want to see the performance. So the tip is a flat. Yeah, flat, and it has a 360. I think it's a 360 ratchet, and the blade of the black blade of the Dransword. So yeah, this is the unleashing or unpacking. But yeah, we will have a separate video for each of these Beyblades right here, so that we can focus on their performance, their designs, and we can compare. Oh, sorry, we can compare them on the original ones. Okay, so yeah, and also the Dransword, the Dranzer S right here. So these are the Beyblades that we have right here, right now, and yeah, we will have them next time. Okay, next time, because there's still so many parts right here or Beyblade also that I need to unbox and to have a video, and also some Gunplas that I need to build also. So yeah, but I'm very happy to have them, even they're bootleg, but yeah, they're on a different version, and yeah, just happy to collect them. It's okay. Our Tommy or fake ones, let's go. We have our versions, then yeah, it's okay for me. And we will also try to review this also on separate videos. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys, for this Beyblade unpacking. And if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay Galapas signing off, and Gumblubber Show signing off, playing Beyblade right here. Thank you, Chinese seller. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.